Hi guys, today we will be learning how we can take a backup of our WordPress website for in case of emergency or for a safe site, because we all have websites and we should have backup in case our website goes down, there is any issue with our domain or hosting, or there might be a hacking attempt on our website. So it will be recoverable in future. So first of all, I'll open the website of my client, which I'll be backing up, and I'll make this area blur so the information is confidential, of course. So let's see the website which we are going to back up. This is an e-commerce store with around 80 products, and each and everything will be saved on our dashboard on our laptop. So let's open the backend of this website. This is the domain.com/wp-admin. This is how we can enter the domain of the website, backend of the WordPress. I'll hide this area here for the password. After entering the ID and password of our website, we'll log in. And here we are in the dashboard of our website. Here we will hover on the plugins in the left sidebar. We'll click on it, then click on add new plugin. Search for all-in-one WP migration. Here we have this plugin with 5+ million active installations. Install it, then click on activate. Our plugin has been activated here. So the next step will be just hover on this plugin, click on backups. Here I have created a previous backup here. Now when you will be doing it, there will be no backup here. So you have to click on create backup. It will take a minute or two, or 2 to 3 minutes to create the backup of your website. Now here we have our backup of our WordPress website. Now the size of this is 411 MB. Now click on it and then save it on your desktop. Here we name it backup website. Click on save. Here it is loading. And this is how you can just take a backup of your WordPress website. And in the next video, I'll be showing you how you can take this backup and upload it on a new domain or any other website or the same domain. So do subscribe my channel and like the video if you got help with my video. Thank you. Bye bye.